What's up YouTube? This is the AlexRock7 and I'm going to be showing you how to put lock sounds on your iPod Touch, iPhone, any iThing. First you're going to need a jailbroken device, and I might or might not make a video on how to jailbreak yeah. So if you are jailbroken, then watch this video. If you're not, then go figure out how to jailbreak or watch my video on how to jailbreak. Alright, here we go. This is what it's gonna sound like. I have a Mario one, but you can choose anything you like.
It's me, Mario!
Yeah, so I like that one. I think it's pretty cool. And don't mind the theme. Explosion HD. Oh, sorry. Out of focus. Dang it. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, so first you're going to go into Cydia. Right there. Once it loads up, you're going to do a bunch of stuff. Sorry. I can't pause this because I'm recording it on like a camera, so it's kind of screwed up. So you're in Cydia. You're going to click Sections right there. You can see it. No. Alright, there we go. You're going to scroll down to Themes. And it should say Themes. And you should find Themes Sounds right there. You're going to click on that. Right there, you got everything. Search your letter and choose what you want. So, for example, I'll do, let's see. Here. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Level Up Sound. So we're gonna install. Give it a minute. Confirm. And you're gonna let it do its thing. And then you are going to just have to let it load. Sorry this takes so long, guys. Alright, there you have your sounds. Now, obviously, it's not going to work. Like, you're just going to have nothing. Like what I have. Like, yeah. Sorry, that took a little long. You're like, if you don't have a sound already, then it's not going to sound like anything. But
It's me, Mario!
alright. Then you're going to go to Winterboard, which you can also get off of Cydia. Winterboard. You probably have it, though. Gonna go there. And gonna click Select Themes. Now, I have Mario lock sounds already on. So I'm going to take it off. And it says Stole Crate. I don't know. That's probably the new one. So you're going to click that. You're going to respring. We'll just give that a minute. While this is respringing, you guys should check out my other videos. They're really cool. I'm trying to get noticed, I guess. I don't know. I think it's really cool to have people watching your stuff. So if you could watch some of my stuff, that'd be awesome. I have Minecraft videos, like iPod stuff videos, and much, much, much more. So, when I unlock this, I'm not sure if that is correct, but let's see if the lock one works. Damn it. That does not sound like leveling up our stolen crate. So, still did it. So, that is how you get your own lock and unlock sounds. See you later, guys.